Hey guys, I have a quick Dollar Tree haul for you. I'm going to start off with some of the school supply stuff. So I found these storage container bins, and I like these from last year. They had them in clear last year. Hopefully they bring out more clear, because the clear ones are really nice to store things in. And since they're clear, you can see right through them. But you can kind of see through these too, so this is really nice. I like the pink, and I store things in here from scrunchies to little Legos to markers, pens. I have these all over the house. So I have the pink, I got the green, and then I have the orange. And then I got the matching pencil boxes as well. And it has glitter inside the pencil boxes. So I picked up the green, the pink, and the orange. And you can store so much in here. It doesn't have to just be like school supply stuff. I use those as well for like my makeup, my extra lip glosses, and I just keep it nice and organized. And then these kind of remind me of the candy, the dot candy that comes on like a paper and you peel the candy. So I had to get the dot one because they also came in hearts, a heart pattern. So I got the neon pink, and it's like a neon lime green yellow with the dots. And then I picked up these notebooks that are really cute. This one has glitter with macaroons on it. And this is how the paper looks. And then the cupcake with the unicorn horn. And then I showed these doodle journals in a previous video, and the one with the donuts, but I found this one, and this one has just cute little things on it like rainbow unicorn flowers and stuff, and it's got like some animal print pages. So I got that. I really like those little journals. And then in a previous video I did show these pretty pastel like iridescent pencil pouches. Then I got two of these jumbo on the go LOL Adventure color forms. I used to love these as a kid, so I picked this up. Just gives the girls something fun to do. Yeah, LOL. They had a Toy Story Mr. Potato Head one and a Jurassic Park one I saw as well. And I'm not sure if I showed this in a video or TikTok, because I haven't been uploading as much on here, but I've been uploading on TikTok, so I'll leave that information down below. It's just easier for me to do a Dollar Tree TikTok haul, because sometimes I don't have a lot of stuff and it's just quicker for me, and I tend to talk really fast and move through the video really fast, so TikTok is just easier for me than to upload it on here. It's just quicker on there, so definitely check that out. But I got these, so I'm not sure if I showed it on there or here, but those are like mega, they're like the Lego block containers, or you know what I'm talking about. So it's just a little storage container, as you can see in the picture, and then it has the top so you can play, which I thought would be good for the car for like a little road trip. You could put some Legos in there and then they can play with it because it has the top here. So yeah, I got that. And then I got this black t-shirt here, and I like it. It's an extra large. It's a v-neck. The shirt has some stripes on it, and it's just a black plain t-shirt. And let's see, I got these gold hair clips. I love to pin my hair back because I like wearing my hair down, but sometimes I just don't like the hair in my face, so I'll pin it back. And then I got this scrunchie here with the pretty glitter for my daughter, and I got these for myself. It's just a jumbo scrunchie, and this one has some pretty neutral colors with some lavender, summery, even fall. I'll wear it for fall. And then this one, which is really summery, pretty colors in it. Then they had some fabric, some new fabric, and I love to use this craft fabric for my daughters to play with as like baby blankets for their baby dolls. So I got the unicorn, and then I got the shark, which I think I did show this in a TikTok haul, Dollar Tree haul, and then the dinosaur. So those are the fabrics. You can make like baby doll pillows, you can do baby doll blankets, you can make masks with those, just whatever, you guys could do so much with it. And then a mini utility box. I had this in my little bag waiting to be shown. And then let me put these out here. I got some makeup. I got a hard candy velvet mousse, a hard candy cashmere silk lip gloss, and then this glitterazzi hard candy. It's like an all over body glitter, it says on the back. But I really love nude colors, so I picked up those. And they're starting to put some fall stuff out, so I really like this pumpkin. I'm probably going to paint this stem like a matte brown, because I don't really like the shiny of it. And then I picked up this pencil holder. I've picked a couple of these up that I'll probably show you either in another video, or like I said, go check out the TikTok video because it was on there. And I got this Raya and the Last Dragon coloring book for my kids. And then they have these like wet bags. They had a lemon one. They're just calling it plastic zip envelope. They had a lemon one, a watermelon, this dinosaur, and I can't remember if there was one more, but I thought this was really nice. You can do so much with these, organizing. You can also, what I can do too is put this coloring book inside here, inside this Ziploc with a pack of crayons, and then you could stick this in your pocket of your car or your truck, and when the kids get bored, you can pull it out. You could even fit a notebook, a pen, and crayons in there, so it just gives them something to do. It's kind of like a little busy bag, and it's really nice and big, so that's just an idea. And I got these little containers. I'm not sure if I showed this, you guys. Sorry, it's because it's been so long. And then I picked up this. Might have showed this as well, so sorry if I did. But it's just a round serving tray, really pretty. And Dollar Tree's starting to come out with some other serving trays that I saw today, but I didn't pick them up. They had like gold and copper new designs, like a sunburst serving tray, and it was gold, and it was really pretty. But I didn't pick it up because I don't really need that. So I should have took a picture, but I'm always on the go and the run. I got these brass wreath rings to do some kind of DIY. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'll let you guys know. Or I'll post it on the TikTok, so check that out. And then I got these for my husband. And this Rosanna Pansino cookie cutter for the kids to make some cookies for their grandparents. And then really quick, I wanted to show you guys. This is from Shop Massey. Love gummy bears. My kids love gummy bears. I love gummy bears. So I had to get these. These are so cute. Sorry, they remind me of gummy bears. Well, they look like gummy bears. So I got the blue, the green, the pink, the yellow, the purple, and the orange keychain. And then I picked up this 2 packs each of the little hair clips. So one's an alligator clip and the other one's just like a pin, and it's so cute. They look so cute and yummy. And then this backpack, I had to get it. It was so cute. And I'm just going to put the girl stuff in here when we go on our little field trips and our little outings and stuff like that, to the museums, whatever. Put our stuff in there for the day. It's Hello Kitty. It was from Five Below for $5. I had to get it. Love Hello Kitty. You're never too old for Hello Kitty, because if I would use this for myself for traveling, because this is really, really cute. And it's like that plastic cover. Her ears and the bow kind of pop out, and it has other little characters on there, but it's so cute. So yeah, that's from Five Below. That's from Shop Massey, and that's everything, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick haul. Like I said, don't forget to check out my TikTok channel. I'll post that in the information down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.